Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly DXY, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of an ABC correction. If this is the end of an ABC correction, then this probably will just end up continuing the downtrend, because I do believe that is what happens at the end of an ABC correction, whether you're on the 1 month, 1 minute, or anything in between. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do prefer to look at the dollar index, the FXCM dollar index. I do believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, probably a wave 1. I still believe that this move up right here is the end of a correction, even though it is a soft move to the upside. I think we may already have the end of a wave 2, and any moves that we're seeing up on the shorter time frames are just going to be corrections to this last wave down, and most likely this will just end up continuing the downtrend, all part of a wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up right here, even though it does look like a trend, I think it's like an ABCDE or a motive wave correction. I still think that right there is the end of a correction. Major reason why is because this right here looks to me like a trend. That does not look like a wave B, it looks like a trend. And then I did change my count a little bit after seeing this most recent price action, because I do see 1 up, I do see 3 down, and I do see an impulsive turn back up, so it probably is going to end up making a move to the upside, maybe go all the way up to one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually ends up continuing back down. So let's check that out on the 4 hour time frame, which I think is where it's actually clearer that this first move up right here is a wave A. And then this is definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. I think that's an A also. This looks like 3 waves up right here, which is probably an A, B, C, or B. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, which is probably an A, B, C also. So this is an A, B, C of B. And then we just had a break of structure to the upside, so it pretty much proves to me that this move down is over. That probably tells me that we are trending up, probably at least to this 38, or maybe that 50% level I was showing on the daily time frame, to make a bigger wave C. And then we'll have a main wave A, B, C, or B, and a wave C on like the daily and 4 hour time frame. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we do have a break of structure. It really has not closed above structure yet, so we still can't really say 100% that this has turned up, but it definitely looks like it has, and it most likely probably will end up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, probably at least to the 38 or that 50% Fibonacci level. So if we do see any pullbacks, then we probably at this point should be looking for longs and an uptrend until we can identify the end of this potential wave C on like the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.